There you go, buddy. Well, go sit down. Go sit down.
Okay, guys, you guys have a good night. Ron, he's opening a present, Ron, look. Happy birthday, Open it, come on. Open it. Don't do that. Let's open it. What is it? Whoa!
What is it? Show me.
Good job, Ben!
All right, I already got it ready set up. Open it up. Really easy to use.
Ben, can I play with you?
Here, you guys back up a little bit. Open it up from the side, Ben.
Here?
Yeah.
Ben, can I be the black one? I mean the gray one?
Here, other side.
Ben. Ben, can I try?
Benjamin, come here.
That's mine. That's shoot tag. That's how to shoot people. You can hide when nobody's.
Here. Benjamin.
Get that one.
Benjamin, look. Look. Put it in.
Now watch
Put it in.
this.
And then look. Cock it.
Can I try?
Hey, where's my hug? I love you, buddy.
Can I try? Can I try?
Oh.
Here you go. Rylan. Can I play?
Do you like it?
I'm the master editor of Playground.
I'm the master of ball. Hit the ball. We're catching. We're catching. There's two back there. Oh man, tap it. Oh man, come on. I'm gonna touch him.
You're welcome, buddy. Hey, that's mine.